Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's good to have everyone here today again. First of all, I will say that one of the job in the shortage list in the UK is a graphics designer, data analyst, and all of that, including this particular one also, software developer. Okay, so now I said that to let you know that this job role is quite important for the employer, and this is posted 5 days ago, and I'm going to share more of this. So I will encourage you to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you can always see them as I post them. I'm going to just drop them because some of them are expiring. The job application are expiring ending of this month, and I'm going to drop them like back to back, back to back. Okay, so this is actually a software developer with visa sponsorship. As you can see, this is in Leeds, United Kingdom. Leeds is actually a very good place to stay. Quite affordable. It's not as expensive as London and all those major places. Okay, so we are seeking an experienced software developer to work on a variety of projects targeting database access technologies. We're looking for someone who is enthusiastic about collaborative working and sharing ideas and a willingness to learn. Okay, so now look at the responsibility writing and debugging code. You know what the request is. You should be able to do this before you apply. Performance profiling and optimization of code. You should be able to do this. Now, all of these things are what you are going to be doing. So it means you need a full knowledge of this before you apply for this job. Designing and implementing new database, middleware components, supporting maintaining deployed code bases, work alongside our support team to diagnose and fix customer issues, and all of this. Now, you can see expertise in C programming is essential, plus 2 year commercial experience, C++, port software. You can see all of this. I know that for people who are in a program developer or software developer rather, you would understand what all of these things are all about. All this TCP, IP, knowledge of SOAP and REST API, and all of this. So you need to observe what they expect of you before you can apply for the job. That tells you to know. That helps you to know if you're really fit for this job or not. So benefits, highly competitive salary, flexible working hour, free parking, free drinks, pension scheme, 25 days holiday plus bank holidays, ability to buy up to 10 days more holiday, access to annual performance related sponsorship is available. Education, bachelor's degree, software development, 2 years required. Apply for this job now. Okay, so I'm gonna drop the application link, on the comment section. I remembered something that I want to say. Okay, yeah, I want to say that for every IT job that you see on the internet, or maybe let me say, for every IT job in the UK, so to say, these jobs are high paying. They are, they people are well paid in the IT, sector. So that's to tell you that if you apply for this job, it doesn't stop you from bringing your family because you're going to be earning above the UK government threshold. The threshold for UK government is £38,000. Yeah, then IT pays you more than that. IT pays you £40,000 annually and more. So, seeing this opportunity and you are qualified to have all of this, please apply for this job ASAP. ASAP. Just apply for this job. I also encourage people to say to apply for the job, then probably in the you know in your mail, write a short note. Let them know that if you get a job with a relocation allowance, it's fine. But if you don't get it with relocation allowance, let them know that you don't mind relocating, picking up the job. You understand? Then you can bring in your family later. that saves you more stress. It saves you, it helps you to secure the job that way. Please make sure that you have a good mail to convince, a good portfolio. I mean, your CV. If you have a portfolio link, you can add your portfolio link. If you have successful projects you've done, you can add the link to your, message information, to your message space in your mail while sending your mail. It's gonna give you a lot of edge. So, guys, if you're applying for this job, I'm wishing you best of luck ahead. Then, if you're seeing this and it's not your field, but you know people in that field, please share this opportunity to somebody you don't know who you might be helping with this. With sharing this opportunity, you don't know who you are, helping. You don't know the family you're trying to help out. So please don't be selfish about this. Share it with people, share it on your WhatsApp status, share it with your cycle, with your IT colleagues, with your IT friends, those WhatsApp group where they expect you to share opportunity with them. Please share this with them. IT is a very important part of every business, and these people need you with visa sponsorship. So best of luck, guys. I'm gonna share more of the opportunities that are very, very much available with visa sponsorship. See you guys later. Bye.